This is my developmental e-portfolio reflecting the 7 domain of the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers. Hi, I'm Sherlyn R. Alojado. I'm currently a second-year student pursuing Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science. And in this video, I am going to share with you my developmental e-portfolio that shows my progress and growth that align with the 7 domain of PPST. Domain 1, Content Knowledge and Pedagogy. Domain 2, Learning Environment. Domain 3, Diversity of Learners. Domain 4, Curriculum and Planning. Domain 5, Assessment and Reporting. Domain 6, Community Linkage and Professional Engagement. Domain 7, Personal Growth and Professional Development. First is Domain 1, which is Content Knowledge and Pedagogy. This pedagogy encompasses specific teaching approaches and strategies that support student learning. Before, I use instructional materials such as Manila paper and printed pictures and reporting. But now, I integrate the use of ICT as a creative and advanced way, such as multimedia presentation, making use of PowerPoint presentation, creating models, brochure, and infographics. Next is Domain 2, Learning Environment. In this domain, it is needed to provide learning environments that are safe, secure, fair, and supportive in order to promote learners' responsibility and achievement. During my high school year, pandemic happened. We were learning through blended learning. 1 week of face-to-face classes, then the next week is modular learning. It is hard to communicate with my classmates due to the virus spreading. There is fear also every time we do face-to-face classes. And today, we are now free from the viruses. We can connect and communicate with other people. Domain 3, Diversity of Learning. Before, I just keep on sharing my knowledge about the topic when I am doing a report presentation. I just focus on what I can share to the class, but that doesn't work to have a meaningful learning. That's why today I let my classmates share their opinions and knowledge. It's not just about giving, but also sharing ideas with them. Let's now move on to Domain 4, Curriculum and Planning. Before, I didn't know how to create a lesson plan, but now we've been practicing on how to make it. Through lesson plan, it helps to organize the flow of the class session. This helps to engage students to involve in different kind of activities. In our BENLAC subject, our instructor tasked us before to present demo video using the lesson plan we made. Domain 5, Assessment and Reporting. In this domain, it is important to utilize different assessment strategies to assess the learnings of the student. Before, we only used traditional method such as paper and pencil tests to assess the learning. But now, we incorporate different strategies like authentic assessment methods or performance-based like role-playing. Domain 6, Community Linkage and Professional Engagement. This domain emphasizes our connection on the community. I am an introverted kind of person before. I just lock myself inside my room. I am shy to join any community activities. But now, I slowly learn on how to engage with our community. I join different activities such as tree planting and cleanup drive. It is important to connect with other people as it helps us to build a strong relationship with others. Lastly, Domain 7, Personal Growth and Professional Development. Before, I did not attend any seminars and program held in our school as I am so aloof with other people. But now, I understand the importance of attending programs and seminars. I also started performing in front of many people to build my confidence. During my high school year, I also volunteered as one of the para-teacher volunteer, which is to teach 3 to 5-year-old children. I joined their seminar and I finished my journey as one of their volunteer. That served as my training as I'm pursuing the field of teaching.